How to claim BTT Airdrop on Telegram. It's already listed and it has value, so you don't have to miss this airdrop. As you can see, it is listed on Trust Wallet. So let's do it. First, go to the link in description and click Start. Then you have to join the channels. Click Claim Now for daily bonuses. To make withdrawal, you have to set your wallet. Click Set Wallet. Click Set or Change Wallet. First, you have to get the contract address from the channel. So go to channel and click in one of the hashes. Then it will take you to Tron-Scan website. Scroll down and find contract address. Copy the address. Then paste it to Trust Wallet search bar. Then click the token.